All right, here we go. Another episode for the YouTube series. I want to clarify something that I mentioned on the last video is making mistakes. And the mistake I was actually talking about was the fact that I recorded an entire 20-minute video having the damn mic muted. And of course, there was no audio at all. I apologize for that. Um, I went to go edit it and I couldn't figure out why there was no sound. And of course, yeah, anyway. So that's the reason why there's like a gap. Um, Anyway, as you can tell, looking at Spy, I went in here hoping that the bounce would continue. It didn't. It actually broke through, and now it keeps on dumping a little bit more. So the next area that we can expect, it's somewhere like here. Hopefully it'll bounce, or hopefully it'll recover here and it'll bounce through to here. I still got quite a bit of time on this one. As you can see, I'm still up $914. So I haven't given back all profit yet. Down on Disney. Disney's the one that's killing me. Let's go look at that one. One of the reasons why I kind of am thinking about dumping Disney is because it is going um, down more. Well, not really. It's doing this downward pattern. So you see how it was making, or it is making lower highs, right? This is that means that it's going down. Um, it kind of squeezed here. I mean, you can kind of align this however you want, but it sort of squeezed here. The hell is the top of that? It sort of squeezed there, and then it just kept going down. It's almost flat. Part of me wants to stick on it. It was definitely the wrong purchase. I should have waited until it broke past here. Um, but either way, it's done. I want to. I'm thinking it has a hard time breaking this level right there, right? Because of this resistance line. So if it breaks, and by the way, did I get puts or did I get calls on Disney? It's calls, yeah. So if it touches here or if it breaks past this, I will probably double down on Disney to help bring the average down and of course maybe even come out profitable. Um, I have to at this point draw some form of line, uh, not literally draw a line. I mean some form of line saying, if it goes down this level, for example, then I need to get out. I need to sell. So let's say if it goes down this level, because I'm not gonna wait for it to reach here, right? But if it goes down this level, I will go ahead and sell. I'll call it. I'll take a loss on that one because I don't want to give all of that money back. It was just a bad entry on my part. I saw this here squeezing and I went in when I know better than to do that. Um, yeah. Anyway, so that is Disney for now. Spy itself did not go as planned. Spy kind of went the other way when it was here yesterday. I think I bought it around this level and it ended up dumping quite a bit. So we'll see what happens. It's still falling a little bit more. Let me get rid of these other circles here. Ideally, I would love for it to just bounce back up and then hit here. The problem with this swing trading is that I'm not constantly looking at it. Like I don't look at it at all in the morning. I just basically I just found something that I had been missing for a long time. Anyway, I basically just get in and then let it do its thing and then not even look at it when that's not actually how I would be doing things. Even swinging, I like to just keep an eye on it. I like to put levels here where it would what's it called, like alerts, for example. But anyhow, um, even doing this half-assed, sort of speak, I'm still coming out with a little bit of profit. So I'm still gonna ride these. Disney, it's kind of scaring me, but we'll see. Spy. Let's look at Spy one more time. Spy is one that I may want to double down on. Oops. Um, Maybe I'll see. And then let's take a look at other ones. DGAS, UWT. Oh yeah, this is the one I missed. Damn it. I forgot to look at this one yesterday. Remember how I was talking about, oh, look at this incredible support and resistance. It's staying in this channel. It's bounced back and forth. This was the one that I was supposed to buy. It broke out. So it went here, it bounced, it broke out, and I completely missed it. I did say that this is the one that if I were playing stocks would be the one that I would buy, and look at that perfect setup. Would have gone great. Imagine buying 1,000 shares from 10 to 12. That's 1,500 bucks or something like that. Um, but yeah, I remember that they don't have options on these, so that's okay. Next, let's see what Amazon has. So Amazon broke and now it's falling back down along this, well, now it's a support line, but it's along this line. So it's still on its downward trajectory. If anything, I would buy puts, but they're just so expensive. What's Nvidia doing? So Nvidia bounced quite nicely from here. Um, can't really put a line on it. Trying to see just a visual if it's going up or down. Um, Bounced here nicely. Probably should have bought. Well, no, I did sell it yesterday, but it made a quite a nice little bounce. Um, Wondering if puts. Well, no, I'll be going kind of against the grain here if I get puts. Um, all right, Nvidia. Hmm, I like this a little better. Let me take a look and see what we got for BABA in March. They're expensive. Um, let's look at what's this? Nvidia. Let's look at Brown to be Baba. Come on, people. I'm busy right now. All right, so Baba. How much would 5 contracts cost? About 6K. All right. That's an ugly ass line that I just drew. We can do better. Um, I like Baba. Maybe buy it now, sell it tomorrow type deal. 13. Damn. I bought it at 13.25. So right here. That kind of sucked. Whatever. Um, all right, so let's see how this one pans out. Um, what else can we look at? I think that's it for now. Amazon, Nvidia. Oof. Okay. Then so JNUG bounced off or hit that resistance here, and it kind of falling down, but it is staying. It's finding strength somewhere here, right? Come on, you freaking mouse, work with me here. So are we staying in this little triangle? Are we gonna wait and see what happens here instead of taking a trade in anticipation? Because I don't want to do that. What the hell is this line for? Yeah, I'm gonna wait at least until tomorrow. All right, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna keep on these right here. Um, this is gonna go down some more. It looks like from the look of things, it'll drop a little bit, kind of like this, and hopefully Baba will continue to go up. Oh, one thing I didn't look at was Tesla. Oops, that's not how you spell Tesla. There we go. Freaking Tesla. Tesla just cracks me up, man. Tesla's one of those things that I find them really hard to trade because of stuff like this. And again, I'm not sure what happened here. It could have been a call earnings, and they did really good, and it pushed them up. I have no idea, but it's hard for me to trade that without knowing. At the moment, it's kind of just squeezing in through here. Probably gonna break out. So I'm wondering if Tesla's might be one that's worth buying into as a call. Let's take a look and see how much Tesla costs. Tesla is really expensive. Oh my God. Tesla is Tesla's crazy. 56 and 13 cents for the Delta? Yeah, I can't do that. Wow. All right. Well, disregard Tesla for now, even though I think it's a good play. All right, that's it. We're gonna call it here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna continue again tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm actually not sure now that I think about it. I have a doctor's appointment early in the morning, and I may just relax afterwards. Maybe go eat, play some Pokemon Sword. I don't know. Thank you so much. I will do a recap video of tomorrow on the day trading or swing trading option stuff. Again, I like to point out this is a simulated account, and I'm doing this because I haven't swing traded options in a while. I'm mostly an options day trader. So I'm always preaching, saying, hey, before you start doing real money, you should be profitable in a simulator 6 months in a row or so. So that's the whole basis of this, is practicing what I preach. That's what the series is called. Um, the other thing I wanted to point out is, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so, please. I'm trying to grow the YouTube channel. Once I hit 200 subs, I will be giving away money again. And yeah, and we'll be doing more giveaways. I'm gonna be doing a lot of more game related stuff too, like giveaway, for example, for GTA, giveaway shark cards or gold for Red Dead Redemption 2, or I don't know, battle passes for whatever, more game related stuff, as well as uh, just cash in general that I'll be giving away. So if you join or sub to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, I pick random people and give them cash. Also, follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Um, yeah, that's it basically. And if you are a streamer, please leave your streamer name or tag um, on the description. I like to sometimes jump in random people's streams and donate them money and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Thank y'all so much, and y'all take care and have a good one. Peace.